In this video, we'll go over NKN. What are the coin's fundamentals? And what price we may expect it to hit by the end of this year. With the current changes in SEC regulations, the cryptocurrency markets have definitely seen a change in the past few years. With the rise of meme coins and NFTs, cryptocurrency itself has now taken the attention worldwide, and we are now seeing a new market cycle in the crypto space. Now, let's get right to the video. Imagine throwing $100 and turning that into over $10,000 overnight. Well, that's exactly what's happened with many people who have dabbled into cryptocurrency. Sure, no one really knows what coin can make you an insane return, unless you have inside information or know that you will be promoted at an insane rate. But simply looking at a coin's fundamentals can make the world of a change from investing into something that will hit rock bottom or go straight to the moon. For this coin, many believe that a 10 to 50x can be very attainable as long as the coin follows through with a roadmap and enhances the network. So, what is NKN? NKN, or New Kind of Network, is an open-source protocol for public blockchain-based peer-to-peer networks to share network bandwidth and internet connectivity. The project was launched in January 2018 and lists Stephen Wolfram, creator of Mathematica and Wolfram Alpha, and Whitfield Diffie, inventor of public key cryptography, as advisors. NKN mainnet was launched in July 2019 and has up to 25,000 full consensus nodes. To make an accurate prediction, first we need to look at the efficiency of the coin and any updates it might currently have. Notable use cases for NKN include content delivery system, edge computing, DChat, and shell. NKN's consensus algorithm is based on cellular automata, a new kind of science and Ising model, where a simple local majority rule can lead to system-level convergence in a small number of iterations. The design goal is to scale to arbitrary numbers of equal consensus nodes. NKN uses a global addressing scheme based on public keys, in order to enable direct peer-to-peer communication without centralized servers. The routing of packets is based on the cord distributed hash table, which maps each NKN address to a random and verifiable position on the cord DHT ring. Considering all mass adoption takes place and Bitcoin having hit all of its consolidation periods, we can see the price hitting 75 cents by the end of the year. Having all this in mind and what the founders are doing, we can easily see the coin hit another 10 to 20x by 2025. Remember that the best way to make money with any investment is to be patient with your investments and let them grow over time. Comment down below for any cryptocurrency price prediction you'd like next. Remember, one should always do their own research when investing into anything. We are proud to provide any updates on cryptocurrency coins, but should not be taken as financial advice. If you liked the video, give this video a thumbs up as it helps our community.